and I'm going to go into CLAG 2. What's the best way to remove a background? Well, Procreate is good for drawing, but it's not really suited to remove backgrounds. Depending on your image, I would suggest you do it in the Photos app. Let me show you how. Go to your desktop and go to your Photos app. Okay. I'm going to select a photo that I know is going to work, which I happen to have in my albums called CLAG. And let's say we choose this monk right here. Okay. What you want to do is you want to select the monk with your finger and wait till it shines like this. This is an AI thing where it isolates the subject. You notice that it's not getting everything. So I'm going to do it again, see if I can get everything. Nope, it's not. It's not going to get the leg there. And copy and share up here. So click on copy. Okay. Then go back to Procreate. I'm going to hide these layers that were here previously. Okay. And then go to your wrench tool. And then go paste. It's going to ask you to allow. And of course, allow the paste. And there you go. Okay. That's one way to do it. I'm going to do it again. Now, go to your Photos app. Okay. Select a photo that you might want to get. Like, let's get these horses. I know one of my students likes to draw animals and horses, so seems like it got, yeah. See the white line. Go copy. Okay. Go back to Procreate. Go to the wrench tool again and go paste. Allow. And there you go. Okay. That's one way to do it. Sometimes the AI is not smart enough to figure out the subject. For instance, trees. The AI might not have been trained on trees. And this is a really, really complicated picture here. So some pictures the AI can't figure out. Like, for instance, all I want to do is isolate this tree here with a bunch of cut branches. Okay? So I'm going to select on that tree and hold down. What I'm doing is I'm holding down on the tree, but nothing happens. I'm going to hold on another part of the picture, and nothing happens. I'm going to hold down to another part of the picture, and nothing happens. Hold down to another part of the picture, and nothing happens. AI can't figure this picture out because I guess there's no subject for the AI. Let's go back to this monk, this other monk. I'm going to touch and hold down on the monk, and there you go. I can copy. Go back to Procreate. Go back to my wrench tool and go paste and allow. And you see how it didn't get the head, it didn't get some of the parts, and in another video, I'll show you an alternate way so you can get more of the image that you need. But this will help you out in terms of images that are easier to to select for the AI. Okay, like for this one right here, this monk right here, this boy monk, he seemed to be able to be selected pretty well. I'm going to put him to the top. So what we have here is we have a gap here. Remember that he had a leg here, if that's important. And the horses did pretty well. It got all the horses, including this one, which was a gap between here, but it couldn't get the tree. Okay. Another video, I'll show you a different way of selecting where you can get his leg and his head here. All right, that's it for now.